I got this dress a few weeks ago. It's 100% linen, and I thought it would be really nice for spring, summer. It's a really nice lavender lilac color. I'm loving this color. And I think it was supposed to come with a belt, but it didn't. There are belt loop things on the sides, but there's no belt. So I wanted to basically make a belt for this dress. I originally wanted to do an elastic belt, kind of like I do for like my jeans and stuff like that. I do these like 1-inch elastic belts where I literally just buy elastic. So I first looked for elastic, couldn't find an elastic that matches this color. This is a very hard color to match. But I did find a cotton twill tape that does match this color. I went to Pacific Trimming and I found this cotton twill tape. It's actually a pretty good match. It's a little bit shinier. It's has a bit of a sheen to it, but so it's a little bit shinier than the actual dress. But color-wise, I think it's a pretty darn close match. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's just not going to be stretchy like my elastic belts, but otherwise I'm going to construct it exactly the same as I do my elastic belts. So besides the cotton twill tape, I also got a G-hook, a 1-inch G-hook and a 1-inch slider in white. I thought white would go nicer with this color than black. I'm gonna sew these on just like I do an elastic belt. So I'll show it after it's done and with the dress. I think generally this dress is going to be nicer belted than not belted. It'll be nice just to have the option of either belting it or not belting it. Not belted, it's definitely like flowier. It could be nice on really hot days, but also it's a little bit more flattering with the belt because it just kind of shows your shape, shows your waistline a little bit more, which looks nice. So the two sewing points I did are just here. I did this loop where the G-hook is. You can see this. You sew that end just with a little loop. And then the other sewing point is here underneath the slider. So underneath the slider is where the other end gets sewed, right here. And those are your two sort of like end finishing points. It's pretty simple, and I think it turned out pretty good. I'm excited to try it with the dress. I think the color is really good. I think this is about as close of a color as I could possibly get. This lilac color is pretty hard to match, so I'm pretty happy with this. Again, I was hoping to find elastic to make an elastic belt like I normally do my elastic belts, but I think this cotton tape is okay. It's a little weird to not have any stretch, but I think it's kind of okay. Here I am trying it on. I think it turned out pretty good. It feels pretty good. It's just really cute with the dress. So I'm happy that I found sort of a quick way to add a belt to something that needed a belt but was a weird color. I definitely encourage you guys to try it too. With anything that you feel like needs a belt, just get some either like 1-inch elastic or 1-inch cotton twill tape, something like that, and you can make this adjustable belt and have it probably hopefully match like anything you're trying to make a belt for. I go to Pacific Trimming here in New York. There's a lot of other really good trim shops in New York and obviously anywhere else. Actually, online can be hard just because if you're trying to match something really specific, it can be much harder to find what you're looking for online because you just don't know if it's gonna match or not. So I definitely recommend finding something in person, like an in-person trims shop, because then you know you're just getting an exact match to what you're trying to match. Yeah, and give it a try. Try out this either an elastic or cotton twill tape adjustable belt. And let me know in the comments how it went for you. Let me know if you have any questions as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, and I will see you later.